Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Neverfall Dungeon Trials game crashing, not loading, not launching or not opening or lagging or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your device once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, check and launch the game if it's working or not. If not, next is to check whether the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. Now in the search option, search for Neverfall Dungeon Trials game. Now open it, and here you should check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then go to mobile data or do vice versa, or you can also restart your router once and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon here. Now click on app info. Now here you have to click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app completely. After that, click on open button and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, you should clear the cache of that particular game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, you should also check whether your phone needs any kind of OS update. For that, go to settings. Now go below, click on system update, and here you should check if any update is available for your phone. If yes, update your phone OS, and after that check if the game is launching or not, or you can play the game or not. If not, next is to check whether your phone has enough storage space available or not. For that, go to settings. Now click go below, and here you have to search for RAM and storage. It may be differ, the steps may be differ from phone to phone. You simply need to check whether your phone have enough space or not. If there is less space, you have to delete some unused apps or games or data, and after that try to install the game and open it and then check if it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Neverfall Dungeon Trials game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on uninstall icon and then click on uninstall. So this will completely remove the game from your device. After that, restart your device once and then again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Neverfall Dungeon Trials game and then click on install option and then click on OK. And once the game is installed, you have to click on open button or launch the game and check whether it's opening or not, and you can play it or not. So by these methods, you can easily fix any kind of issues you are facing while playing Neverfall Dungeon Trial games on your Android phone. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.